friends, this is Rahul. Let's simply learn robotic process automation with UiPath. In this video, we will add the records in the queue. So we will see there are three types. Using that, we will add the data in the queue. Let's open the UiPath Studio. Name it to the process. Add records in queue. Open a main workflow. Then we will create a sequence. Now, what we'll do, this is what the Excel file having some records. That records we will add into the queue. I'll copy this Excel file into the project folder. Now first is we'll take one assign activity. We'll create one variable called queue name, and we'll provide a queue name as a laptop details. Another activity that we're going to use, that is read range from workbook to read the data from the Excel. We'll provide the path here. Create a variable, control K, laptop details dt. Now, so to add the records in the queue, there is a activity called add queue items. Yeah. So using that, we will add the records in the queue. For that, we will use for each loop, for each row activity, and under for each we will put add queue item. We'll assign the variable here laptop details, and in queue items we will here provide a queue name called, we'll assign the variable here queue name, and our queue name would be laptop details. And in collection we have to provide the details. Laptop details, then row, we'll read each row one by one to string. Another argument would be rating. Third argument would be price. Yeah, so this is what our workflow. Now we have to create a queue in Orchestrator. So for that, log into the Orchestrator, go to the automation and then queue. Then here click on add, name it to the laptop details and add. So you can able to see now laptop details queue has been created. Now go to the studio. Let me close this Excel. Let's execute. Let's see the result in output. Execution ended. Let's see, go to the orchestrator and see the result, whether the record is updated in the queue or not. Laptop details, view details. Yeah, you can able to see the record is present in the queue. Our Excel file containing the 10 records, so records has been added. Transactions. Yeah, so this is the one way using that we can add data in the queue using add queue item activity. Now another way is we'll create one another sequence, bulk add. We will use read range, Control K, and we will use bulk add queue items activity. Here we will provide data table name, top details, and queue name. So for that we will create one more queue, laptop detail 1. Yeah, you can able to see queue has been created, and the same queue name we will provide here. We'll click on save. Let's run this. Okay, my bad. I have to run the file. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, and let's see the result in the laptop details 1, view transactions. Mm, of details 1. So this is a mismatch with file giving the queue name. Now let's run this file. Yeah, execution has been done, and go to the queue. Yeah, you can able to see the data has been added, the record has been added in the queue using the bulk manner. Yes. Now third way is using the CSV file. So we will create one queue or two, refresh it. Yes. Now what we'll do, we'll open the Excel file, we'll save as an CSV format. Sorry. We'll save it on a desktop. Save. Yeah. And click on more actions. Then there is an option called upload items, and here you can browse. Here they have mentioned select or drop a file CSV. So we'll browse the file, and you can able to see laptop details.csv are successfully 10 records. If there is an issue, then this green label turns into the red one showing the errors. We'll simply click on upload. Yeah, and you can see the records has been uploaded. Yeah, so these are the three types basically to upload the data in the queue. First is add queue items. This activity will add the records one by one in the queue. Then another activity, bulk add queue items. This activity will add the data in the queue in a bulk manner. And another way is using the CSV file, we can directly upload the items in the queue. So these are the three ways using that we can add the records in the queue for our need. So that's it in this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.